Hello viewer, in this video I will show you how to fix AI overview disappeared from Google search result. Step 1. Open your Google app. Now go to Google Lab from the left top corner. Now scroll down. Click on AI in search. From here, please turn on AI in search feature. Now go back and follow the second step. Open Google Play Store, or if you are iPhone user, open your App Store. Now search Google App. From here, please update your Google app. After complete the update process, scroll down, and from here, please make sure you are a beta tester, and if you are not beta tester, please join Google beta version.